My name is Alwin. I'm the Director of IT and Information Services for Alwin Manufacturing. Alwin Manufacturing specializes in several different forms of contract manufacturing, including injection molding, assembly, metal stamping, and a lot of other processes. Our customer base, though, is very diverse. Our main clients are involved in hygiene, furniture, appliance, industrial, and consumer product industries. Delmia Works to us is everything. It's the source we always go back to help understand the trends in our market and how our business is doing over time, and then using that data to look forward and project forward. Where do we need to make our investments? What areas are really performing for us? What needs to be pulled back? Hold our suppliers accountable and drive our manufacturing processes forward. So it is really the core engine that drives our business. Having real-time visibility into the database is absolutely huge. So when we have multi-locations all doing different things, being able to see where they are, not only from a manufacturing but an inventory transactional basis, being able to monitor our sales orders and our purchase orders and our shipments all in real time across all these locations, it's been an absolute game changer for us to be able to keep tabs on everything. We've been a customer for a really long time. We implemented back in 2007, so it has absolutely grown with us through the years. For me personally, my greatest passion right now is working with BI dashboards, and they have been absolutely transformative for our business because it puts the data out in a way that's really easy for people to access and understand, and it brings all of that data out and kind of sanitizes it just with an amount of eyeballs that can get on it. Anybody walking by can easily identify where the problems are. It's really easy and a way for people to hold people accountable. One of the biggest impact ones that we made so far is covering our injection molding machines and trying to visualize the impact of scrap. So while that information is available in the production report or in real time, being able to put that up on a display, they see that immediately. They see the impact of that number going up. I would describe Delmia Works as the one-stop shop for everything you need to do in manufacturing, whether you're a molder, a stamper, or what kind of industry you're in. I think that there is a fit for Delmia Works in that organization.